Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to translate any language from ChatGPT. Now firstly, open the ChatGPT website on your browser. Now log into your ChatGPT account. Now ChatGPT has answers to all your questions. You just have to get creative with your questions. So I'm just going to write a whole paragraph and tell ChatGPT to convert it into Spanish language. And there you go. It has started to give you the Spanish version of it. Now let's wait for it to load. And it's done. Now you can just copy and paste it. Easy, right? If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.